Let's say that you want to make a chair slide in and out a little easier. You can see this one kind of drags, it kind of grumbles. But this chair here, if you take these little lids, these are just from orange juice, you can take it, you can see how simple that slides along the floor. It's a super easy fix. These lids that you're just going to throw away anyway make really good slides. So I'll go ahead and pull these out. You can see they're not glued on there. And I'll show you how this chair slides or does not slide without these. When you're trying to get this chair in and out from underneath the table, I mean, it'll move, but you can see that it's just going to destroy this floor in no time at all. This is just one of those laminate floors. So after seeing this move back and forth, I knew it was only going to be a matter of time before this floor was destroyed. So if you just take these, drop them in, you can see it moves a lot easier, a lot freer, and it's a super easy modification. And it really doesn't look that bad either, and it's sized to the chair. If it was one of these smaller chairs, you could use a smaller one, and imagine if you could find a black cap. I mean, that would be really nice. So any chair you've got, this would be a solution. If you think that you're going to be destroying your floor, or you just want it to glide a lot better, those polyethylene caps work really nice. So here's a real solution to a real problem, and really easy. Well, I really appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.